Next one is law of conservation of linear momentum. Law of conservation of linear momentum means total momentum of a system always remain same or conserved. That is called law of conservation of momentum. Until no extra force, no external force act on the body, means when external force act on the body, total momentum of a system always remain constant. What's that mean? According to Newton's second law of motion, according to Newton second law of motion, we have F is equals to d by dt of P. Suppose we have a body A. It starts with initial velocity v, and acceleration A is acting on it. After time t, it have velocity v. So d by dt of momentum is v minus u. V minus u. This is the formula. But if no external force act on the body, in that case, if F is 0, in that case acceleration also be 0. Body keep on moving with velocity u only, it's not going to change to v. So we will have, as F is equals to dp by dt, so F will be 0 here, dp by dt, so we will get momentum equals to constant. Why constant? Because we know when the derivative of a term is 0, then that term will be constant. That term will be constant. So we will get here momentum is equals to 0. Sorry, momentum is equals to constant. What it means? Momentum means m v minus u. That is going to be constant. It means that velocity is not going to change over here. So before and after case, momentum will be equal. Suppose we have a gun with bullet in it. Initially, before firing, let mass of gun be capital M. Mass of bullet be small m. Before firing, both are at rest. Means velocity of gun and velocity of bullet, both is 0. So what we will have? We will have u1 and u2 both are 0. u1 equals to u2 both equals to 0. But after firing, let the velocity of the gun be v1 and velocity of the bullet be v2. Because when we fire, bullet will move in forward direction, as a result gun will move in backward direction. That is called recoiling of gun. This concept is also called recoiling of gun. So with v1 velocity, gun get recoil. So by applying law of conservation of momentum, law of conservation of momentum, what we will get here? We will get here before firing momentum is equals to momentum after firing. That is, before firing, momentum will be mass of bullet into velocity of mass of gun into velocity of gun, mass of bullet into velocity of bullet equals to, after firing, mass of gun, velocity of gun, mass of bullet, velocity of bullet. As u1 and u2 is 0, so we will get here 0 plus 0 equals to m v1 plus m v2. From here, if we will get m v1 equals to minus of m v2, and by solving it further, we will get here v1 equals to minus of m v2 upon capital M. This velocity is called recoil velocity of gun. So this is nothing but this is the application of law of conservation of momentum as with the help of it I have find the velocity of recoiled gun. So this is the application of momentum.